This is on my way to Barrie on a Monday. What the fuck? Everyone's with their flashers on, and this is actually kind of scary, not gonna lie. Like, I'm actually scared to drive at this point, and I'm never scared to drive. And this is really, really retarded. Like, what the fuck? I can't see fuck all. Can't miss my exit. Holy shit. That's all I have to say. I can't believe school is not closed today, because this is fucking retarded and stupid. When I left Aurora, it was sunny, you know, it was a bit windy, bit cold, but that was about it. This is just pure madness. Yeah, I think my next exit is next. This is, sorry about that. This is really bad. I'm doing right now maybe 75 kilometers an hour. And this is retarded. Oh, fuck. And yeah, I better. Switch lanes because my exit is next. I'm gonna turn on my flashers too. Pure madness. Pure madness. The roads are a fucking mess. Why are you braking, bud? Speed right now. I just dropped down to basically 30 kilometers an hour, and there's my exit, another kilometer away. But this is like I said, I usually, or most of the time, don't get scared driving, but when I started recording this video, like, I was having a small little panic attack. It's getting a bit better now, like the snow clearing up, at least it's not fully white out. But this is bad. This is really bad. Saw a bunch of accidents on the 400, and it's not pretty to say the least. And I think this is where my exit is. I hope. Okay, this is my drive, and wow, whiteouts and Barrie as well. Don't tell me my school's closed. Because if it's closed, that's bullshit, I say. No, I don't think. Oh yeah, of course, traffic light's not working. Figures. That's fucked. So fucked. So fucked. Maybe it is working. Maybe I can't see it. Maybe. Oh yeah, you know, only 5,000 RPM. Car wouldn't even move. There we go. Yeah, school's not closed, unfortunately. Fucking stay, bud. Anyways, that's my drive.